Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, but not fluent speaking English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of your body?
No, ma'am. Here and here.
Okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I, I choose Malaysia because no deduction salary, ma'am.
No salary deduction. So can you help me introduce yourself?
I am Robeline Verso Sabatuon. I live in Lipon, Quirino, Philippines. I'm 29 years old and my birthday is November 30, 1995. I have married. I have four children, two boys and two girls. The eldest is 14, the second is 13, the third is 8, and the fourth is 5.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11 and my weight is 59.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
Uh, ALS graduate, ma'am.
Us. Okay, so you mentioned that you got four children and you are married, and this is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take care of your kids later?
My,
Once you come
my
to work
husband,
here in Malaysia.
my husband and my mother, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 35 years old and he is a farmer,
What about
planting vegetables.
your what about your mother? How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 48 years old and she is vendor.
Did your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia? Okay, so why is it that you decided to work here as a domestic helper? Why not choose to stay in the Philippines?
Because uh, I choose Malaysia. Where do you work? I work Malaysia for save money and house.
To build the
And
house.
yes po.
Okay, so in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2023. In which part of the Philippines?
They're in Lipon, Quirino, ma'am.
Okay, you work there as what?
As a restaurant dishwasher and serving the food for the customer, and also I work in the house also for 2 years.
So 2022 to 2023, you work as a restaurant dishwasher for 1 year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, January 2024 to November 2024, you work as what?
As housekeeper, ma'am.
You work for 10 months as a housekeeper.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I clean the house, I mop the floor, I wash their clothes, their curtains, and
Did you cook and
I
iron there?
yes, ma'am.
So are you a stay-in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW is a very tough job, okay? Working as a domestic helper is not an easy job. It is a very tough job. Knowing that you will be multitasking, you need to work quite far away from your family at the same time. You need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore, or your homesickness strikes you, you miss your family, no such a thing. Because any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching
Yes.
of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
If you know how to cook, what variety of cuisine or what type of dishes you can prepare?
Curry, adobo, sinigang, chop suey.
Okay, but you are willing to learn some new recipes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your
Yes.
job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are
Yes.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine. You can work properly. Don't give us trouble. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to choose and work abroad, because you wanted to give a better future for your children. Okay? So
Yes.
in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness? Of course, knowing that you are a first timer, homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you do, or how will you gonna handle it later?
I will call my family after my work done, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank you
connected
po.
through WhatsApp, because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day.
Po.
Okay.